All right, so finally got the gauge pod cluster in. Looks a little fucked up, but I guess that's just how it's gonna fucking be. Oh no, this trim just popped off, or the window seal. Neat, cool. Why the fuck wouldn't it pop off? But yeah, I had to run these wires down. Uh-oh, where's the third one? Oh, this is awkward. There's supposed to be 3. And then I had to run some wires through the firewall out here. That was a fucking bitch to do. I had to stab it with a screwdriver and then just like shove some zip ties through and then just pull them through with the zip ties. And then one of the wires I actually had to cut because it didn't fucking fit with the connector, which is over here. This big ass connector. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, that thing's massive. Absolutely gigantic, and it wouldn't fit through there. The rest of them I got through though. Yeah, it's looking not bad. I'm just about ready to put everything back together and try and drive the car and see if it blows up. Fuck yeah.